Applying kajal to babies' eyes is a traditional Indian culture that is believed to ward off evil eyes. There are also beliefs that applying kajal to babies' eyes can help to improve babies' eyesight, can make babies' eye grow bigger and brighter, and can also protect babies' eyes from harmful rays of the sun. But in case you are also in a dilemma whether to believe this or not, whether it is safe or not to apply kajal to babies' eyes, and what doctors recommend on this. Here in this video, I have tried mentioning all the possible points related to the same. Please watch the full video so that you can also understand each point clearly and you yourself can decide what is good for your child. So let's get started.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for latest video updates.
Should you be applying kajal to your baby's eyes? Now see, even though many families across cultures believe that applying kajal to baby's eyes is actually beneficial, but doctors seem to disagree. Now the main reason behind this is kajal contains lead, which is something that can cause irritation and itching and can also lead to eye infection in your little one's eyes. So this is the reason doctors do not recommend applying kajal to your baby's eyes. So is homemade kajal safe for your baby? Now parents think that homemade kajal is a kind of alternative for the kajal that is brought from store. But remember, even if kajal is homemade, firstly it contains carbon, which is no way safe for your baby's eyes, and you yourself can understand if something very small goes inside our eye, it causes so much of discomfort, it causes redness in our eyes. So if something very small or something like carbon goes inside our little one's eyes, who themselves are so delicate, so sensitive, then it can produce so much of discomfort for them also and can cause a problem in their eyes also, right? Secondly, rough edges of nails and dirty hands can again is not good for your baby and can harm her eyes. So these are the reason why even homemade kajal is not safe for your baby. Can baby's eyes grow bigger and brighter by applying kajal? Now see, there is no research based evidence that can validate the fact that applying kajal to baby's eyes can make baby's eye grow bigger or brighter. There is no scientific study that has been found. What actually happens is, as your baby grows, as her hands, legs and the other body parts grow, in the similar manner her eye size also grows. What I mean is, the size of her eye grows as per her age and not by adding anything external to her eyes. So if you are applying kajal just to make your baby's eye grow bigger, then this is wrong, because there is no study that has been found supporting this thing. Now if you ask us, even we never applied kajal to our baby's eye, but in case parents wanted or relatives wanted, in that case we applied very little just behind the ear or maybe a hairline of the forehead, and that's it. You can also do similar things in case relatives or friends want to apply kajal. You can also apply it somewhere far to your baby's eyes, which can not harm your baby, and you can also keep your parents' words also, right? That is what we did. Now whatever our doctors recommended us, I shared the same thing through this message. but again it is absolutely up to you whether you feel it okay or not to apply kajal to your little one's eyes. But as parents we have to be very careful and very responsible before adding anything external to their eyes. So that's all. If you like our video, if you think it is useful in any manner, then please do subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you for being a part of this channel. Thank you so much. Be happy, be safe, happy parenting.